Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to describe how to complete Lesson 4 in Grade 3, Module 6. So first, in order to solve, in number 1, you would, for the first line across, you would write 100 and keep going and doing it up by hundreds. So now you'll see there's a chart below, and now you have to write. You have to use the chart to make the bar graph below. So now let's start out with Ben. He made it halfway. So you stop at 300, make his bar. And obviously, you gotta label Ben under the bar. You know what? I'll just write Ben under it. Okay. Now, this time it is different. We have not made any half bars, but we can still do this. Rachel has 250 magazines sold. So what we'll do is we will just go halfway up from in the middle of 200 and 300. This time, maybe we could just write the first letter of their name. Let's just write B for Ben. We'll write R for Rachel. Okay, now Jeff. Poor Jeff, he only got 100. That's not that high. So, you only go up a little bit, and then we go back down. And we'll write J for Jeff. Next, we have Stanley at 450. Obviously, what we need to do is we'll write him in between 400 and 500. So he's going to be our highest one so far. And we'll write S for Stanley. Final, Debbie, she got all the way up to the top at 600. So let's start. So, the bar graph is not done without D for Debbie. This is your bar graph you should have. If you wanted to do it by tens, it wouldn't be good. This is the appropriate scale for the bar graph. Okay, there are 3 questions I see. And we have 2 questions for the one on the back. Well, I have questions on the back. We don't have to do the bar graph for the back. Okay. Explain why you chose the scale for the graph. Because it would be the most simple. It would be the most simple way to do it. Thought my nose was bleeding for a second. So it is the most simple way to solve this whole problem. Okay, let's think. Ready for the thinking questions? There are 2 more. Okay, how many fewer magazines did Debbie sell than Ben and Stanley combined? So you have 600. So let's write 600 to the side. But we need to add Ben, which is at 300. So we'll write 300 plus in the vertical way. And Stanley plus 450. No, I accidentally started to write 400, guys. Okay, 450. Now the camera makes it look red like it's bleeding. It actually isn't. Okay, so 0 plus 0, of course, is 0. We have 0 plus 5, 5. We have 3 plus 4, 7. 700. So obviously, we will erase our 600 because it's not the highest number anymore. Our 750 is, okay? I'm going to get an action. Okay, I think it's done. Still feels bad. Okay, so obviously, our numbers that we have in the subtraction vertical method sentence is 750 minus 600. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 0, 5. And 7 minus 6, 1. So 150 is our answer. Okay, we got D. How this, because when we made the bar graph, that was problem A. So obviously, let's think. How many more magazines did Debbie and Jeff sell than Ben and Rachel? Okay, Debbie and Jeff. Let's add. We'll have to add 600. What are you doing? And add Jeff's 150. We write 0. We got 5. We got 7. 750. Now we'll add Ben.
Oh, actually, it still feels a little warm. Do you want to take a bite, see if it's still warm?
And Rachel. So Ben, 300. Rachel got what? So 300 plus Rachel's 200. Actually, I didn't make the bar for Rachel high enough. So it's at 250 now. 0, 5, 5.
I'll be very upset. Hold on, let me make sure it's not hot.
750 now. Minus, I think, obviously we don't have to think, it's minus 550. So it's 0, 0, 2. 200 is our answer, obviously. Okay, so here is our top area. Here is your bottom area. 3, we should have one fact No, you should have one sentence that's for B. You should have 2 vertical method facts for C. And then you have 3 vertical methods for D. Okay, let's think. Okay, let's think. So we'll figure out these 2 crazy hard questions in a different video. Hopefully you enjoyed learning how to do the front of the problem set. Bye. Subscribe, guys. I cannot believe that I have over 100 likes on my Lexia video. It's crazy. See you guys in the next